This is an ant update. What I've done is pour some soft drink out here on the counter, as you can see. And using my trick, I'm going to follow the ants back to their nest. And you can see they go down here. There, they go down the side. Hard to see here, but you can see them right there. Running along, following them. They come out across here. They go over to this corner. You can see them running up and down there. Across the tile over here. Back in here. Keep things in focus. And here is the place where they are gathered. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little tiny hole right there where they're gathered around. And that is where the nest is. And that is the thing you have to spray or they keep coming back. So that is my ant update. So yes, this trick works. Put out some something sugary, make sure they find it, and then follow the trail back to the nest and spray it. I have sprayed the nest, so how do I know if I actually got the right place? Well, what'll happen is, we'll go over here and look again. We'll come back in a bit and the number of ants should start going down in numbers very seriously if I've gotten the nest. Now I may have to spray the nest again, say in a week or two, to make sure that any larva that's hatching dies off also. But let's come back in some time and see if the numbers of ants are decreasing. And now it's 25 minutes later. It's now 1 hour later, and you can see they're greatly diminished. This is the 2 hour mark, and it looks like pretty much got the nest. There's a couple stragglers left, and that's pretty much it. Okay, well that was it for hunting down the ant's nest and some tips and tricks. I hope you found it useful and interesting in your home DIY bug control.